Mustang. Another video today, guys. I just want to show you guys the setup again. A lot of new viewers. If you guys watch this Mustang on TikTok, it's known as 505 wheel horsepower. If you know anything about Gen 3 Mustangs or Mustangs in general, it's clearly not 505 wheel horsepower. It's got a blower on there, okay? It's got regulators. It's got fuel system, E85, headers, all the goodies, you know what I mean? So we do make quite a bit of steam, but I just want to show you guys the setup again. Yeah, I'm not hiding anything. It's not on nitrous. Everyone keeps saying this braided line is nitrous. It's not. It looks like it, but it just goes down right there to the blow-off valve. So, whoa, Mustang's not on nitrous, but today we got to race a twin turbo Charger RT. What in the heck? Like, we're tired of them Hellcats, red eyes. We're tired of them. They're slow. Holy smokes, a Charger. Like, what the heck? A Charger? All right. And then, yeah, he got me. I was like, yo, that's pretty sick. Complete sleeper car. You would never, ever expect it. I didn't expect it. And it got down. Did very well. Did better than any other Hellcat I've ever seen. But enough talking. Let's get to the video. Look at this sleeper. This is the super sleeper over here. RT. Oh my goodness. Looks NA to me. This is pretty fast. Where the turbos at? It's a pretty sick setup, man. It got me by surprise. You never look at this. Look at this, you guys. Keeping up with the Mustang, man. It got me on the dig, and then even on the roll, whoever gets the hit basically takes it. But man, that was good racing. It's good. Super solid. Super solid, man. In the RT, that is so sick. So sick. Where the turbos at? Come on. Oh. Interesting. Where the turbos at? Wastegate. Oh, the turbos are right here. Holy cow, this is a crazy setup, you guys. This is sweet. When do you ever see this? Wastegate's there. Turbos are right here on the muffler. Wow. Look at this, you guys. Holy smokes. I don't know if you guys see that, but yeah, that's sweet.
That was only on number 2 booster.
What was that on?
6266.
6266, you guys. Is it built block?
It's built motor, built tranny.
Built trans. What kind of trans?
The original.
The original
But
trans.
they have extra clutches in it.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
And a belt body.
Man, oh man. I can't get over this car. This is sick.
One little blow off valve, just
Look at that.
crazy impressive.
This is respect, you guys. Thumbnail. So I just want to recap what happened out there. His build is twin turbo, fully built block. Trans is built, I guess, clutch packs and whatnot. 6266s. I think he said 18 or 20 pounds of boost. Yeah. So not too bad. I forget if it's a 5.7 or like a 6.4. I'm not too sure. But whatever came with those older Chargers, I think it could be a 5.7. But anyways, on 20 pounds of boost, I would assume that's pretty close to 1,000 wheel horsepower. I'm going to assume. So, Mustang did pretty good. Like I said, this is a Vortech V3, E85, headers, full exhaust, pushing about 750. So, not too bad for the Mustang. We did come up short, in my opinion. We came up short. Whoever got the hit basically took it. So, but I'm pretty happy with the results nonetheless. And that was such a sweet car. Like, when are you ever going to see a twin turbo Charger? Never. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.